With us today in person is a person who needs no introduction and is more local to Patna than most of us, and we are happy that the foundation is the reason that his kind presence is here again today. I welcome Honorable Justice Mukhopadhaya to please share your thoughts with us this evening.
Honorable Justice Gowai, the Judge of Honorable Supreme Court, Justice, Chief Justice K. Vinod Chandran, Mr. Y.V. Giri, the Honorable Sitting Judges of the Patna High Court, former Judges of the Patna High Court, Brother Hemant Gupta, former Judge of the Honorable Supreme Court of India, those friends of the bar, my friends, other dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen. I was knowing Justice Ajay Tripathi for the last more than 37 years. That means the day he joined, by that time I had come to the bar, though at the old age he came at the young age. That was the only difference. A person who was much elder was friend to a very younger person. That is how I was knowing him. He was familial and I was brotherly ties with him. I can say many things about Justice Tripathi. For me, Ajay, not justice. It would be injustice if I say Justice Tripathi because he is my younger brother. He was, he is. I have a different relationship. I don't know how it developed. And when I developed the relationship, I found him in a deep thinker actually. A concern about welfare of others, not himself. He never talked about himself. He never asked for anything about himself. Even during the elevation or before elevation, he has not come to the house of a judge or gone to the house of a judge as usual practice to pay respect. That was Ajay Tripathi. A strong sense of justice. A person having the strong sense of justice. A person having the religious affinity. But he had one thing, no blind faith on anybody, no blind trust on anybody. He will be finding out what is exact, what is clear, and then he will realize, and then he will act. Justice Tripathi, as a lawyer, strongly felt about the access to justice as a vehicle for social change and betterment of the society, passion and profession. I've seen as a lawyer, but not as a judge. But fortunately, I could see him as a judge through his judgment when I was the judge of the Honorable Supreme Court. So that is how Justice Tripathi was known to me as a judge. Not only that, somehow or other, I'm attached to a number of people from different class. Even class 4 people of the High Court, they come to me. Class 3 people, they come to me. Lawyers, they come to me. Officers, they come to me. Even now, I'm a lucky person, though I have left this High Court last 23 years back. From them also, I could get the flavor of that how he is doing, how he is a person. Even a class 4 employee will be talking about him. A class 3 employee will be talking about him. And they have shown that they have lost somebody. As a judge, he delivered a quality of judgments which I have seen, and he was elevated as the Chief Justice of the Chhattisgarh High Court. I have attended the daughter's marriage there at Chhattisgarh. I enjoyed enjoying the marriage in the family. And he accepted brotherly advice. He joined the post of member Lokpal. He came to Delhi. So he was to come to Delhi, not the channel of Supreme Court judge, as a sitting Chief Justice of Chhattisgarh High Court. Without retirement, he was taken to the post of member Lokpal. Unfortunate, whatever you call, he never demitted the office of Lokpal. He left for heaven from that post. So he is a person who has not retired from service, not demitted the post of a judge or chief justice, nor demitted the post of a Lokpal. And he was a forward-thinking jurist. Many days I was thinking, who is jurist? Who can be called jurist? But a forward-thinking person who had the thought process of a judge, not only a judge, but he had a vision, which vision he translated in his life. He was soft-spoken, but firm in attitude. He had a strong liking and disliking, but not at the court. I never heard liking, disliking in the court as a judge from any of the lawyer. Nobody has complained. Nobody has said anything about him that he had a liking or disliking. He had a liking for good argument. A quality of judgeship that can be seen from his life. Quality in the legal field and legal education in India, he envisaged in his life. The effect is that his involvement gave a rise to one of the new institutions in this state, Chanakya National Law University, Patna. He is one of the person who is foundation member of this Chanakya National Law University, Patna, and for the first time the 5 years law college has come into effect into here in Patna, in the state of Bihar. It is one of the best institutions now, because I have also seen the students of this institution who joined with me as trainee, not only in the Supreme Court as a Supreme Court judge, even as a member of the NCLAT, as a chairperson of the NCLAT, and later on. It is noteworthy to mention that Mr. Tripathi served as a member of the General and Academic Council of CNLU. He also served as a member of Academic Council of NLSU, Bangalore, and then later as Chancellor of the Hidayatullah National Law University, Raipur, while holding the office of Chief Justice of Chhattisgarh High Court. I am happy to note that one of the aim and foundation of the foundation is to bridge the huge delta and exist between the study of law and practice of law. Study of law is one thing and practice of law is one thing, but making the bridge between them is one of the motto of this foundation, and that is being now taking this in the second year of the Ajay Tripathi Memorial Lecture. First year of the memorial lecture I was also attended at Delhi. I said at that time to Mrs. Tripathi, why not the second one at Patna, where he was a judge of the Honorable Patna High Court. I found that the members of the foundation has accepted my suggestion, and today we are at Patna, because I have the great affinity for Patna. For any or good or bad reason, I'll be coming to Patna, whether you like or not. I'll be here. He achieved excellence in practice of law, improving the standard and quality of legal education. Have two areas of Justice Tripathi has left last legacy. He takes steps towards vision of improving the legal education in our country, One of the stated objectives of the foundation is, I have been informed, to organize and promote discourse amongst the lawyers, senior advocates, eminent judges, experts and law students. Foundation is encouraging the law students, collaborating with practitioners, organizing such high-level lectures, and aim to assess the legal aid work, etc. This is one of the practical way in which it will nurture and own exceptional profession. This will go a long way of bridging the gap between the legal education and legal profession, thereby producing excellent practitioners, particularly in the state of Bihar. Justice Tripathi's work and practical vision in improving the quality of legal education, if taken forward, can truly bring about the change in the Indian legal education desperately needs. Justice Tripathi was one of the ardent believers of adapting the changes of the time. The Patna High Court is producing, I have come to know that large number of good lawyers. Now they are from 5 years law college. They are doing good in this Patna High Court. This is what I could come to know. Even the flavor goes outside the state. In our time, there were a few of them who were from Delhi, who were excellent. One of them was Justice Ajay Tripathi. Now, I'll be saying that there are much young people who are followers of Justice Tripathi in the present generation who are also doing exceptionally good in this profession. And I have not seen, not known them, but heard name of many of the young lawyers. As young lawyer, I have seen in Ajay Tripathi in 81, 82. It's ongoing things for some time and they're passionate about the cause, but it's quite another thing for someone to truly identify the real issues and find solution of them. This is where the legacy of Justice Tripathi and goals of foundation truly coverage. I congratulate the members of the Tripathi family, his friends, well-wishers who have come together in the second year to be part of this endeavor. I particularly congratulate Mrs. Tripathi, who asked me to be here. The one thing I can tell you, Mrs. Tripathi says, Dada. Ajay never called me Dada. He always says, Sir. I don't know why. I was Sir to him, but Dada to his wife. So I am more close from his wife's side than Ajay Tripathi. This I can say. I wish Justice Ajay Kumar Tripathi Foundation all the very best. And I will continue to be part of the foundation, work as a guide, advisor and supporter in all their future work. May the foundation achieve all that it has set out to achieve, but mostly to carry forward the legacy of Ajay Tripathi to show that they inspire law students, lawyers, judges, academic and alike for generations to come. Thank you all for patience hearing.